Welcome! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to register your service business on NeatyLoft and start connecting with potential customers. Start by entering your business information. Add your business name, email address, phone number, and create a secure password. You can also add a short description of the services you provide. Once everything is complete, click Create Account. Next, check your email inbox for the verification code sent by NeatyLoft. Enter the code in the verification field and click Verify to confirm your email address. What services do you offer? Choose a service: standard cleaning, move-in, move-out cleaning, post-construction cleaning, apartment turnover cleaning, and more. After selecting a service, click Continue to Profile. Now enter the business owner's details. Fill in your first name, last name, date of birth, and any additional information requested. After reviewing your information, click Continue. Follow the remaining prompts to complete your business profile. Add accurate details about your services, service area, and business information to help customers find and trust your business. Congratulations! Your account is now set up. You can now showcase your services, build credibility, and connect with customers looking for professionals like you on NeatyLoft. Don't miss out on new business opportunities. Complete your profile today and let customers discover your services on NeatyLoft. Visit NeatyLoft and start growing your business today.